What's going on, everybody, and welcome to bootcamp day number 1. So I made a promise to you guys that going into the end of 2024, I'm going to start a bootcamp series and teach you guys everything that I know about trading from A to Z for completely free. Now, here is my only request about doing this bootcamp. You guys need to interact with the videos, drop likes, drop comments, and make sure that you have bell notifications on. The reason being, I am going to be taking a lot of time out of my day to make sure that I get these videos out for you guys, and to make sure that I am teaching you guys the right information on how to be a profitable trader and how to stay consistent. So the rule is going to be very, very simple for this bootcamp. So every time that you click on one of the new bootcamp videos, comment down below doing your check-in, like the video, and interact with the video. Because if these videos aren't getting the attention that they need, then I'm simply going to stop doing them. So for day number 1, my only request for you guys is take 5 seconds out of your day, drop a like, comment down below doing your check-in, and let me know that you are dedicated to make it all the way through this bootcamp going into the end of the year. Again, my number 1 goal is to make sure that you guys go into 2025 with the right trading system and the confidence that you need to become a profitable trader. And another goal of mine throughout this bootcamp is to shave off a lot of the time that you guys take when educating yourself in the market. Because again, I'm literally going to be teaching you guys everything that I know from A to Z over the next 2 months. And this is 7 years worth of trading information that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So I'm very excited to teach you guys throughout this bootcamp. Again, one more time, do your daily check-in down below. Hit that like button, but also make sure you have notifications on for this channel. That way you guys are notified the next time I upload a bootcamp video. Everybody have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in bootcamp day number 2.